Guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to demonstrate to you how you are going to turn your plain interior wall into a lively looking wall. So in this case, we have proposed to turn this wall into a 3D effect wall, right, with some lighting effects. This wall has been painted, so how are we going to do it? Stay tuned, guys, and hope you enjoy the channel show. Okay, for the current work, we are going to tap the power supply from the room AC switch, okay, because there is incoming here. So we are going to tap. So upon tapping, it's going to go inside the bathroom door frame, and it's going to go here, and we made two boxes. One is the plug, and this is the connection box. So you can see in the connection box we got two circuitry. This is 12 volt and this is 5 volt. This 5 volt will power up the digital clock of the key holder cabinet, and this 12 volt will power up the back light of the star. It's just a rather simple connection, live and neutral. Okay, so what we are going to do now is, at the back of this star, we are going to place along the perimeter this LED light. Okay, so this LED light is basically a warm light. It's a warm light. It's SMD 5050, indicating the size of the LED. Right. So we are going to place at the perimeter of this star, and the distance between the outer surface of the star to the location of the LED, we are going to give a uniform 5 cm all along the star, right? Because if it's not uniform, later when we on the light, you can see the light distribution at the back of the star portraying sideways to the base of the wall will not be even. Okay, so we want to eliminate that, so we make it all constant 5 cm along the perimeter of the star. So we are just simply going to stick it, because this comes with an adhesive tape. Just going to stick it there. So we have placed the LED strip along the light now. Okay, at the edges here, we just secure it by means of silicone glue, okay, because they have been bent at an angle. So we just secure it, so later when we dry it, pivot there. So this is the outcome. And also after doing it, we do a test, because this is powered by 12 volt. So let's see how it looks like. Yeah. So this is how it looks like. It works. So we let it dry, and then we do the assembling and the wiring works. Okay, so in order to lift the star, we are using a 20 mm riser stud. Okay, so you just drill a hole on the wall, insert your screw here. So this will be sitting on the wall, then put it on the plate. Together with the plate, you screw it in. Okay, so let's see how it looks like. Okay, so we have already installed. So we see how it looks like upon installing it. So this is the riser stud. So it has been secured well to the wall now. So together with the key cabinet. So this is a fully DIY key cabinet. Okay, so you can hang your multiple keys. At the same time, you have enough of space to put any small items inside. Alright, this key cabinet is mounted on the front surface of the star. So if you can see the star, whereby the board is made of polyfoam board. Okay, so this board is relatively cheap, easy to cut. Right, so the board has been painted the same color with the wall. Namely is we do not want to differentiate the board and the wall. By default, we want to enhance the difference of the elevation of the surface by means of light. So if we have light, that it will, so there's a switch here. So now you can see the 3D effect coming into play. And there you go, the 3D effect of the wall. Obviously this is the motion sensor. So this sensor you can set whether you want the light to on or off during motion, or you want it to be on all night long when there is no light. So you can have two selection mode there. Right, so bear in mind that this key DIY key cabinet, you also have a state-of-the-art clock, and this clock comes with the temperature, comes with the year and the date, and it is activated by means of voice or sound. So if I flip my fingers, you will have the time and also the temperature. The temperature sensor is located at the side, right? So basically, in a nutshell, it gives you a very valuable information on this wall as you are walking, because we have a room here, we got a room here. So when you go in, it will give you a brief information for the particular point of time. Right? So let's see how it looks like at the night and all the lights are off. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed some informative information on how you can turn your plain boring wall in your house into a 3D lively looking wall, right? So bear in mind, in this case we are using the shape of a star, the quadrant they call it, because of number of edges, right? So you may use, say for example, the world map. So you may cut out the world map, and according to the perimeter of the world map, you may just simply put the lights. But bear in mind that the effect of 3D, it will showcase when you have sharp edges, right, rather than curvy edges. So world map is possible, but it's not that significant. So you might want to do maybe a hexagon, pentagon, so forth, or any other creative design, right? So guys, I hope you enjoyed the show, the video, right? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Wishing you well and blessed always. So till we meet again in the next coming video, God willing, checking out now from your Dr. DIY's channel. Stay home and stay safe.